Well, you'll have a lot of reporting. Structurally, it's probably okay. It's just the whole
Never touched the house. This must have, I don't even know where how much water came from where, because I mean, there's just mud everywhere now, and I haven't been inside. I don't know what's going on. This is, in my impression, catastrophic. I've just never seen anything like this.
It's like the same thing is happening over again this year. Thankfully, we have a really great community of people here in the village that have stepped up to help out.